Hello everyone. It looks like panic selling is taking turn. At least to me, it all started with gold Thursday, right? I think 1400, 1430 to 1500, this time frame. Gold dropped from 550 to 5500 to 5100 in 30 minutes, right? And I noticed many other markets did the same thing, right? Oil, natural gas, silver, and US stock markets, right? Since then, right? So gold dropped Friday, crashed, and silver crashed, right? And this morning, natural gas crashed too, right? Almost 27% crash, right? So to me, it looks like the panic selling or crash is taking turns. So first of all, what could be the next one? In my opinion, it could be US stock market, right? So that's one thing. Another thing is, so when I look at silver today, this morning, right? I saw a bullish pattern here. Okay, here. Let's make it big. X, A, B, C, D. This is alternative bet, right? So B point is less than 382. And then X to D is up to 1.12, right? So I see this pattern. That is why I bought silver this morning, right? I bought this guy, HL, around $22, right? So I am not sure this will make a new high, right? But at least, again, my system is very simple, right? I believe it can at least reach B point, which is $100, right? And then I will watch whether it can go above it or not, right? So not only harmonic pattern, but also there's a traditional like a 200-day moving average. Sorry, this is 50-day moving average, right? So it seems to getting support here, right? Also, there's a traditional this support and resistance, right? So this area, right? Resistance, right? Resistance, support, resistance, right? Now become resist support, right? And this one has a good chance of working, especially we see the similar thing in gold as well, right? I don't trade gold these days, but there could be. Let's see. Yeah, there's a tiny here, right? X, A, B, C, D. Yeah, very similar bullish bat or butterfly, right? So it's there too. And also, I see this support, right? Again, 50-day moving average, and then this trend line support, right? So all this pointing to me, at least we have reached a short-term bottom. And also, natural gas, which dropped a lot today, I see here, right? I was naive to think that natural gas may not drop that much, I always get humbled by market, right? So it dropped a lot today. So by doing that, it formed a pattern. You can see this is a bullish bet, alternative bet, right? Very similar. So, so again, I bought, yeah, natural gas today around this area. I added some more. Oh, by the way, over time, I learned, to me, this is a very dangerous market, right? The best thing that I'm focusing on now is to preserving my capital, right? And of course, natural gas like HNU, like this one, when it works, it's fun, right? It goes up a lot, but when it's not working, it dropped 50%, right? Today, 52% today, right? So what I learned over time is the best way to make money fast is purposely to try to make it slowly. What I mean by that is I reduced the size of my position on HNU and increase with the profit. I increased the size of CVE and ARX, right? So CVE and ARX, these are kind of boring, right? It doesn't go up that much as HNU. But on the flip side, it doesn't drop that much either, right? So that's what I learned over time. The fast way to make money is to try to do it slowly on purpose. In other words, I'm more focusing on compounding effect, right? So I want to make money in 3 years, 5 years, right? Instead of 3 months or 5 months. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing these days. So this is the dangerous market. So I reduce the size of these fast movers like HNU, all of these. Yeah, I have a very small position. My main position is these guys, right? CVE, ARX. Oh, by the way, I also bought CNC a little bit, 1/3. And yeah, HL, I bought two, right? 1/3. So yeah, so let's see how this plays out. Okay. In the next few probably weeks, it'll be very volatile, right? So we have to be very careful. Okay? So be careful out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.